Welcome to Crypto Plus, where we bring you the latest information on cryptos, blockchains, definance, and futuristic investment vehicles. Today is Sunday, the 15th of August 2021, and we're conducting our regular update of Nicki's cryptocurrency portfolio, though we missed her last week as she was away. Her portfolio is now not only turned around from a major loss by $5,000, it's now turned into a $5,000 plus profit. So let's take a look. Welcome to Crypto Plus. Now, it's been a little time since we've spoken to Nicki, and it's now the 15th of August 2021, and it's 14:52 GMT plus 1. And I'm pleased to say that when we last looked at Nicki's portfolio, she was showing a positive return of some $1,609. And we can see now, looking at the bottom of the screen, this has risen to $5,016. Nicki, good afternoon, and what has happened to your account?
Good afternoon, Richard. Yes, it's been a very positive couple of weeks. Crypto across the board has been going up, small downs and big ups, so thankfully my portfolio is showing quite a nice profit.
Well, of the various cryptocurrencies you own, which one is giving you the greatest profit, Nicki? Do you know off the top of your head, or shall we look at them individually?
I would say it's probably Ethereum Classic, although there's been a huge rise in Cardano, which has resulted in my equities, which were showing a big loss, as now being a nice profit.
Yeah, your Cardano crypto was showing a loss, and that was because you had bought in, I think it's something like $1.50 something, is that right?
Yes, it was about that.
And now it's over $2, and in fact, at the moment you'll get $2.06. Although earlier today you might have got closer to $2.20. So
it was a little over, actually.
Yeah. So let's have a look then. Bitcoin. I'm looking at that. You put $8,000 into that. You're making $2,400. That's not a bad return, 30%. You've been doing this, what now, 3 months, roughly?
There or thereabouts, yes.
So that's not a bad return, is it, in 3 months? Providing, of course, you cash out, but you've no intentions of doing that with Bitcoin,
No.
Ethereum Classic. Now, this was a relatively recent innovation, if I recall, and you've put $1,000 in, but you've got a 60% return on that so far.
Yes, it's huge. I did buy a little more, I think another $700, but when there was a big rise last week I sold some of it, or the week before, which in hindsight I wish I'd kept now, because that's very healthy.
And then Ethereum itself, although it's down $91 rather today, you're up $1,350 on a $4,500 investment, so that's again 30% up nearly.
It is, yes, and if you drill into all of those, you will see, for example, Ethereum. Let's do that. Here we go. Yeah, one of my purchases is a profit of 55%.
Yeah, that's this one on the top, when you bought it on the 12th of July.
Yes.
Excellent. And Ada, Cardano, you're up $489. And you've invested $3,000, so that's 14%. But you've only purchased some of that recently, haven't you?
Yes, yesterday or the day before
Let's click on that. And you can see even what you bought yesterday, you're making a profit on, and you bought at quite a high price.
I did. It was a much bigger profit this morning, but it's dropped back a little.
Why did you buy those yesterday? Did someone give you some advice or make a recommendation to you, Nicki?
They did, Richard. I can't recall who it was.
No, neither can I.
Oh, wait a minute. It might have been you.
ShibXM.
Do pat your own back when you're ready.
Thank you. I'll do it. Shib, you've put $350 in. Shib is what they basically call a meme coin. Some have more disparaging comments about it, but you've made $89, so fair play.
Yes, a nice little profit.
And I think that's the lot there, yeah?
It is now, yes. I've closed quite a few trades recently.
Well, we'll have a look at that then. So basically, from the money you've got currently invested, you're $5,000 up. Full disclosure, let's look at your portfolio to see what you've actually sold.
Is there anything that you can see actually missing?
I can see Dogecoin at the top. Just a moment, though.
Bye, Doge.
You've made $955 on the products that you have sold. So really, if you were, I know you're not going to, but if you were to sell everything today...
Can I just point out that's a 30-day figure?
If you
do the 3-month figure,
of course.
That's the actual amount.
Right. Yes, you're right. So if you actually sold today, you'd be nearly $6,300 up in less than 3 months, and that's on an overall investment value of actually $20,000 or just over $20,000 physically invested, I suppose, isn't it? Because if
you click on equity there,
yeah.
So GBP is 24,637.
£25,000. Yes.
It was 25 yesterday, I think, and that was an investment of £20,000. So almost 25%.
Yeah, excellent, absolutely excellent. How do you feel?
Well, pretty good.
But it's easy to make money in a bull market. Now, let's see what
3
happens.
months ago, we were wondering whether it was a bull or a bear market. Nobody knew at that point.
You're absolutely right there, and I don't disagree. But look at Doge. You sold that at a loss, and you guaranteed to us you would never sell anything at a loss. What went on, Nicki?
I did not. Go back, and at least 2 of the videos we did, I said that I would be selling Doge at a loss. I did.
I thought you were going to put it into a wallet and keep it for eternity.
Well, I was, and then I found out from the chaps at eToro that although they're happy for you to buy all of these crypto, there's very, very few of them you can transfer to a wallet. That was quite disappointing. I was a bit peeved about that. And Doge was one of them that I couldn't transfer out. And honestly, I was just sick of seeing that red all the time, so I was happy to get rid of that at 239 loss.
Now, I don't like prodding the bear, Nicki, as you're aware.
No.
But I noticed you sold your Doge, to be fair, at not a bad price, at 27.52 cents.
Well, considering that
let's have a look.
$600 in the red on many occasions, I think I did pretty well.
And let's have a look at what the price of Doge is now.
I don't know. I won't look at it anymore.
Well, I'm going to look at it, Nicki.
It could hit $100 a coin.
Look at that! It's 29.18. No, Nicki, you could have hung on and reduced your loss further. And of course, all the Doge supporters, it's going to the moon.
I don't care. I don't care. I will still not regret that sale.
Nicki, well done. You've done very, very well so far. And let's see what happens in the weeks ahead. Any other sort of interests? Are you buying more now, or are you just going to sit and wait this bull market out?
I'm just going to hold for a little while. It may be that buying now would result in nice profits in the future, but at such high prices, knowing I bought all of this lot at a much lower price, I'm not really looking to invest anymore at the moment. I'm doing investments elsewhere anyway.
So let's suppose Bitcoin were to fall a couple thousand points. Would you not be tempted to buy more?
Oh, yes. So if Bitcoin hit about 38,
yes,
I would certainly look at considering buying some more. And Ethereum, if Ethereum hit the 26 mark, thereabouts, I'd probably buy some more of that as well. But it's just too high at the moment for me.
So you're going to want to see a 10% fall from current levels then. Even though they're down now, you want a further 10% fall before, and perhaps in Bitcoin's case, maybe 15% before you'll be interested.
Well, you're better at maths than me, so if that's the figure, that's the figure. But yes, you're right.
Based on what you've just said.
Yes.
Nicki, thank you very much. Congrats. I'm glad you're in credit. It's not nice when people are losing money, whether they're investing in cryptos or gold and silver, stocks and shares, or any other asset class. It's always much more positive when you know you're making a profit, and especially if it's a healthy one. But all I will say is it's only a profit when it's in your pocket. So with that, Nicki, thank you very much.
Thank you, Richard.
Disclaimer. Under no circumstances what we cover in these videos should be deemed as investment advice, nor an invitation to invest in any of the vehicles or products we mention. We're not authorized practicing financial advisors, and you should please be minded of that. Before you consider any investment whatsoever in any field, we recommend that you speak to a regulated professional financial advisor. Thank you. Have a great day.